Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Just drag and drop Abstract Intro Eclipse. Connect to media out, press 2 on the keyboard, wait few seconds to render, and then you will see the template. It is animated, and when you ungroup, I will show you. Starting from the bottom, here you have background. You can change it obviously. These three are stars, as you can see here. These 3 stars, 1, 2, 3. I just use the another template. You go just download my star set number 01 and then choose from the 5 different stars, and then use the merges to duplicate, and with merges just arrange where you want them. Obviously you can put one more node here, so you can have 4 or 5. It's however you want. Then next one here, you will have the text. One is for the background, one is for the yellow border. Use the glove to make the nice shine. And then you will have here this rectangle light. When I pass here, it will disappear. So from 150 to 210, you will see this light is go bigger and bigger. And then here is the circle I made with glows. I made a star or sun, however you want to call it. And then I use the eclipse to mask, and on 150 you will get the C, and 270 you will get eclipse, and this is basically it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.